Welcome to Flavorful Journeys, where we explore the delicious and diverse dishes from around the globe. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the vibrant flavors of West Africa, specifically discussing two beloved dishes, jollof rice and cockroach. So let's get started.
That sounds fantastic. Jollof rice is definitely a classic dish that many people associate with West African culture. It's not just food, it's almost a celebration, isn't it?
Absolutely. Jollof rice is often at the center of social gatherings, birthdays, and weddings. And depending on the country, there are various versions, each claiming to be the best. But what's the basic idea behind jollof rice?
At its core, jollof rice is a one-pot dish made with rice, tomatoes, and a variety of spices. The key players in the recipe include a protein, often poultry like chicken, or, as our recipe indicates, a poulard, which is a type of young chicken. And let's not forget the signature heat from cayenne pepper.
Right. And I love how the different ingredients create layers of flavor. Speaking of ingredients, can you share what we need to whip up jollof rice for 6 people?
Sure, you'll need about 250 grams of rice, some black-eyed beans, 8 tomatoes, 1 small tin of tomato paste, 4 onions, a bit of vegetable oil, and of course, salt and cayenne pepper. Plus, some eggs, breadcrumbs, and white pepper elevate the dish even further. It's amazing how all of this comes together.
That really is a colorful mix. Now, can you break down the cooking method for our listeners? I think that will help them visualize how to make this dish.
Certainly. First off, you'll soak the black-eyed beans for a couple of hours to soften them. While that's happening, you boil your chicken for just about 5 minutes to get it cooking. Now, here's where things get aromatic. You fry your onions and tomatoes together with the tomato paste until you achieve a deep orange color. It's all about building that flavor base.
Absolutely. And that deep orange color is a sign that your dish is on the way to being absolutely delicious. After that, you'll mix the rice and beans with the gravy you created.
Exactly. And here's a fun fact for our listeners. In many homes, making jollof is a communal effort where friends and family gather to cook and enjoy the process together. It really strengthens the bonds of community.
I love that sense of community around food. It's something that just can't be beat. Okay, so we layer the rice and beans, then you beat the eggs, mix in some pepper and salt, coat the chicken in breadcrumbs and flour, and fry until it's golden brown. It sounds like a delightful meal just waiting to happen.
Yes, it's that beautiful golden chicken that really makes jollof rice so appealing. And if you haven't had a chance to taste jollof rice, I can assure you it's worth every effort. Now shifting gears, what about cockroach? What's that all about?
Cockroach is a delightful snack that hails from the same West African region. It's essentially deep-fried plantain balls and is incredibly flavorful, perfect as a side dish or a standalone snack. The main ingredients are overripe plantains, flour, fermented corn dough, and a touch of ginger, which adds a lovely warmth.
Interesting. So what's our process for making cockroach?
To start, you'll mash 2 overripe plantains, then mix them with chopped onion, ginger, and a bit of water. Once you've got that mash, you add flour and the fermented corn dough. This combination gives it a delicious texture. After that, you allow it to stand for about 10 minutes before forming small balls and deep frying them until golden brown.
It sounds like the perfect pairing with jollof rice. Now, for those who are not familiar, can you explain what fermented corn dough is and why it's used?
Certainly. Fermented corn dough is a mixture made from corn that has been soaked and allowed to ferment, giving it a sour flavor and improving its nutritional profile. It's a staple in many West African dishes, helping not only with flavor, but also making the final dish light and fluffy.
So fascinating. Combining these two dishes at a gathering would create a rich tapestry of flavors and experiences. Now remind us of the key takeaways from today's discussion.
Absolutely. We've learned that jollof rice is a colorful and vibrant dish at the heart of West African culinary tradition, while cockroach serves as a delightful accompaniment or snack. The communal aspect of cooking and sharing these dishes adds to their cultural significance, and the ingredients we discussed really make them shine.
Exactly. We encourage everyone to try their hand at making both dishes. Not only will you be treating yourself to something delicious, but you'll also experience a slice of West African culture. Thank you all for listening, and we hope you join us next time on Flavorful Journeys.